online class for kids. For more fun learning videos, don't forget to subscribe.
Hi! Today, we are going to travel using a subway station. Are you excited? Then let us know more what's in a subway station. Come with me! Ticket machine, where you buy and get tickets. Say, ticket machine. Information desk, where passengers can get information. Say, information desk. Station staff, a person working at the station. Say, station staff. Security camera, shows footage around subway station. Say, security camera. Elevator, designed for people using wheelchairs in subway. Say, elevator. Stroller, a chair on wheels for a baby. Say, stroller. Passenger, a person who travels using vehicles. Say, passenger. Ticket reader, a device used to read ticket barcodes. Say, ticket reader. Turnstile, used for counting people passing through a gate. Say, turnstile. Route map, shows the map of a road. Say, route map. Timetable, a subway station schedule. Say, timetable. Escalator, a moving staircase. Say, escalator. Emergency alarm, a signal used for emergencies. Say, emergency alarm. Advertising poster, a poster to promote a product or an event. Say, advertising poster. Train door, where passengers enter and exit from platforms. Say, train door. Platform, an area alongside a railway track. Say, platform. Now kids, let's play a game called Select the Picture. All you have to do is to select the picture needed. Have fun! Select the picture of the ticket machine. Correct! That's the ticket machine. Select the picture of an information desk. Correct! That's an information desk. Select the picture of the station staff. Correct! That's the station staff. Select the picture of the security camera. Correct! That's the security camera. Select the picture of an elevator. Correct! That's an elevator. Select the picture of the stroller. Correct! That's the stroller. Select the picture of the passenger. Correct! That's the passenger. Select the picture of the ticket reader. Correct! That's the ticket reader. Select the picture of the turnstile. Correct! That's the turnstile. Select the picture of the route map. Correct! That's the route map. Select the picture of the timetable. Correct! That's the timetable. Select the picture of an escalator. Correct! That's an escalator. Select the picture of an emergency alarm. Correct! That's an emergency alarm. Select the picture of an advertising poster. Correct! That's an advertising poster. Select the picture of the train door. Correct! That's the train door. Select the picture of the platform. Correct! That's the platform. Good job! I hope you learned a lot today, kids.
See you next time!